Hello everyone and welcome back. Since tomorrow is the first day of December, I'm going to set up a cocoa station for the kids. Over the last couple weeks, I went shopping to TJ Maxx and the Christmas tree shop, two of my favorite places to frequent at this time of year. I picked up some of these hot chocolates on a spoon and cocoa stirrers. I even added in a candle that smelled really good, candy cane scent, and some chocolate, and just some little treats that I could send home with some of the kids who might be visiting my children. I'm making this tray for the kids, so I made sure to include my daughter's favorite thing, which is a little something from Starbucks. So I got her those mugs. And all the Snoopy stuff would be definitely up my little one's alley. He just loves Snoopy and Charlie Brown. So I got this two-tiered tray from Tractor Supply, and I really love it. So I'm just gonna give it a nice wipe down. I'm wiping it down with the peppermint scented Mrs. Meyer's spray. I really like this spray at this time of year. It really just makes it smell like candy cane everywhere. A tray like this will be great to have when you're decorating for the seasons, and I can definitely see myself using this throughout the winter. Maybe even on Valentine's Day I could set it up with some Valentine treats for my family. This tray just reminded me of when I was a child because my grandparents used to have a candy tray, and every time the holidays came around they would fill it with all different kinds of beautiful candy, ribbon candy and peppermints and candy canes, and I just remember when that tray would come out how special it would be. So it's very exciting for me to make something like this for my family. I spend a little time placing everything on the tray where I like it, and I brought in some of this greenery from outside, and it really just made everything look really wintry and beautiful. My kids were super excited when they saw this station, and I'm sure they're going to get a lot of joy when they are playing out in the cold, coming inside and being able to pick and choose any kind of flavor hot cocoa that they might like. Some really cute little iced gingerbread cookies, so I just decided to put them in this container. And even though these are store-bought, I really do like the idea of when we do make cookies that we could just keep refilling them into this jar. I would love it if you would share with me in the comment section below one of your favorite memories from your childhood of something that made you feel really cozy at home. One of the best things about being a homemaker is creating these beautiful things for your family's eyes to feast upon when they come home from a long day at work or school. Chocolate is definitely one of the ways we cozy up in the winter here in New England. I talk a little bit in a previous video about rewarding myself after accomplishing some homemaking tasks, so I'll link that up above. I'm really pleased with how this cocoa station came out, and I can definitely see myself making this again next year. It was such a wonderful surprise to wake up the day after we made this cocoa station to a beautiful winter storm here in New England. My little guy had so much fun playing out in the snow, making a snow fort, and my daughter had such a good time just relaxing here in our sunroom, taking in the beauty of the winter wonderland. Thanks for joining me in making this hot cocoa station, and if you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of our cozy little family.